It's 6:43 a.m. and today I'm eating fried chicken and macaroni with some honey. A comer. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. And I haven't eaten in 30 hours. Si tú no le muerdes, yo le muerdo. Nah, si tú no le muerdes, yo le muerdo. I wish I had some hot sauce or something. Put some honey on it. For the past 2 days, I've just been eating a cup of fruit, a 30-ounce cup of fruit, and I needed me some protein. Here, you want to win? Take a bite. I should have shared some mac and cheese here. Here you go. Did you get your bite yet? It's been forever. At least that's how it feels. Imagine some Tabasco, bro. I'm the proof in our family that you can get paid on TikTok. Don't get me wrong. Shout out Soli, cause on the cool, I feel like if it wasn't for Soli, I would have probably never got on TikTok. She was telling me to make cooking videos. How things added up. Look at me now. People are actually interested in my content, and I created my own catchphrase. Pretty crazy. Out of nowhere. There gotta be someone out there that be saying "a comer." Ain't no way it's just me. Water. Peace.